Hi, my name is Adi, and I'm a psychology and data science major at NYU, and I'm doing research under Dr. Zhao Sadok in the field of natural language processing, or NLP. Have you ever chatted with a chatbot? Maybe your bank has an app with a conversational agent that can help you do simple things like transfer money, or maybe you've had some experience talking to Siri or Alexa, Google, and the likes. Dialog generation using machines has actually gotten quite good. This works essentially because we teach machines how to predict which word is the best fit for small gaps in sentences that we place. For example, saying the sentence, she went to dash to find flowers. Here, the word garden would be a pretty good guess. Once the model learns to do this well, we can give it prompts and it can autocomplete the sentences with words with high likelihoods. So now that we know how that works, let's look at Facebook's BlenderBot model, which was trained on 2.7 billion parameters just over a year ago. And it's considered the state of the art and cutting edge in dialogue generation. I've made a script to run the generator machine learning model on Facebook Messenger with the Facebook Messenger interface. So let's try chatting with BlenderBot. So models like this can hold pseudo conversations and are good for chit chat. But can we make them more immediately useful for human beings? Imagine being able to chat with such a conversational agent when you are distressed. Um, Empathy is an essential part of human communication. And in our project, we adapt this Facebook's Blendabot model using a new data set called Empathic Conversations. This data set consists of 500 conversations between pairs of participants, and they talk about a distressing news article that they both have just read. These articles can be about like violence during the Black Lives Matter movement, or they can be about school shootings. They're really distressing. And we took them and further trained the BlenderBot model. Now let's take a look at what this newer trained model looks like when you chat with it. As you can see, there is some difference. but there is more we can do. As next steps, we will assess this model's perceived empathy, both with automated metrics and also like evaluations, human evaluations from Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is a crowdsourcing platform. Furthermore, the data we collected was very rich. Empathic Conversations had data about the news articles, the contents of the news articles, and also about the personality types of the people interacting with each other. So we are still to use this data. Finally, 500 conversations, although rich, may not be sufficient for significant modeling. So we aim to scrape the web for some more conversations involving distressing news articles from Reddit and sites like New York Times. And then we'll use these news articles to pre-train the language model in bulk, and then use our empathic conversation dataset to fine-tune it and see if that has an impact. If you'd like to try out this model or ask us questions about our research, please reach out to me at adis@nyu.edu. Thanks a lot.